Hello everyone. Did you know that graphene-based devices is a US 25 billion worth of market, provided graphene is available at a lower cost and better quality? Today I'm going to talk about B Energy's breaking wall technology that can provide better quality graphene at a much lower cost for our customers. Before we move forward with our business plan and our strategy, I would like to take you through what are the exciting properties that graphene has to offer that could revolutionize the industrial products currently being offered. Graphene is actually a sheet-like material which has which is one atomic thick and has carbon atom arranged in a hexagonal lattice structure. This unique symmetric arrangement of carbon atoms in graphene sheets gives a huge set of a unique combination of properties such as high surface area, high electrical conductivity, and high transparency to visible spectrum. Now, this set of properties could be used for different applications in different industrial product. And for instance, like batteries or electronic sectors, which are actually showing a very healthy growth rate. Most of the graphene producers actually use something called a chemical approach for synthesis. It's also referred to as Hammer's method. This chemical approach actually produces graphene which has very poor quality. So we have seen that hexagonal lattice structure. In chemical approach, that hexagonal lattice structure is not really well maintained. It's there, but it's not really good. And what happens because of this, the exciting properties of graphene are really lost. And that creates a lot of risk around this material. Also, toxic and corrosive chemicals are used in this process. Thus, because of this, it presents a lot of scalable challenges. Duration of manufacturing is huge, so it takes about a week for producing graphene, and all this leads to eventually a cost escalation and higher manufacturing cost. So you will see that graphene manufacturers actually offer graphene close to about 6,000 to 9,000 US dollars per kilogram of graphene. As we were looking into these challenges faced by graphene producers, we came up with an epiphany here that can electrical energy from the grid be used for producing graphene? And we used something called electrochemical approach for graphene production. When we did lab scale testing, we saw that we were able to solve most of the challenges being faced by the chemical approach. And we are not done here. We have a little bit more magic to this process. Also, we can provide more control to the operator in producing graphene, and we can also tune our graphene material as specific to the needs of customers. So if a customer needs, for instance, a high temperature stable graphene, and as high as unusually high temperature, for example, like 600 to 700 degrees centigrade, we can do that. And this can be used for high temperature applications. Also, we have two US patent filed for different chemistries, and we are scaling up the system so we can expect more IPs to originate. Now, we are working in this sector because graphene device-based devices actually present a huge market opportunity for us. There's a 25 billion US dollar market, and it's growing because graphene application in different sector is in R&D, is still under research and development phase. If you look at graphene demand, it's obvious that the batteries and composite sectors actually present a huge market opportunity for us. And we are working together with different partners in order to establish and forge a strategic alliance to work with different partners in this sector. Our go-to-market strategy is very simple. B Energy sees itself as being a large-scale graphene manufacturer of high quality at low cost and provide it to our key partner for usage in their final product. Currently, we are working with 3 customers, and we are in dialogue with other customers to use our graphene for their final product. Our team at this point include me and Dr. Roberts. I have a background in electrochemistry, material science, and engineering that will be useful when we scale up the system and expand our customer base. And Dr. Robert has a previous startup experience where he worked on wastewater treatment back in the UK, and he has that experience in building scalable system, especially on electrochemicals that is core to our team. Also, we have support from Innovate Calgary that provide us with commercialization advices, and we also get support from Foresight Clean Tech Accelerator program that actually help us in adapting to new business model and strategize our plan. To summarize, I should emphasize here that we have a competitive approach compared to conventional chemical approach, which can present significant cost and time benefits along with better quality. As well as we have a huge market potential. There is a pain, we have a beautiful solution to that pain, and we have an appropriate team to tackle it. Thus, we are rightly positioned to actually be a world leader in this sector. At the end, I would like to acknowledge Alberta Innovate for their kind support for our research and development. University of Calgary, especially Hunter Up for this nomination, and Falling Wall for this wonderful event. Thank you so much for listening to us. B Energy will create a low cost and high quality graphene for our consumers in a very cleaner way. Thank you.